Hello, little brainy boogies. Welcome back to our magical world of learning and fun. Today, we have an enchanting tale waiting just for you. Get ready to embark on the magical adventure of Timmy and the talking animals. Our story begins in a lush green forest filled with tall, ancient trees. Meet Timmy, our curious and adventurous hero. Timmy loves to explore and discover new things in the forest. But today, something extraordinary is about to happen. As Timmy walks deeper into the forest, he hears a soft whisper. He follows the sound and finds three talking animals, Sammy the squirrel, Benny the bunny, and Dolly the deer. Sammy the squirrel approaches him.
Hello, Timmy. We've been waiting for you. We have a special mission for you.
The talking animals reveal their magical secret. They need Timmy's help to find the lost rainbow gem, which will save their forest from darkness.
Help!
Timmy said. I'll help you find the rainbow gem, but how? Benny the bunny said. Don't worry, Timmy. We have clues and riddles to guide us. And so, the adventure begins. Timmy, Sammy, Benny, and Dolly set out to solve the riddles and find the rainbow gem. Throughout their journey, Timmy and his new friends encountered various challenges and obstacles. They learn important lessons about teamwork, friendship, and problem solving. After overcoming many obstacles, they reached the final clue's location. Dolly the deer said. This is it, Timmy. The last clue that leads us to the rainbow gem. With all the clues pieced together, they finally discover the rainbow gem. Timmy said, we did it. We found the rainbow gem.
You did great!
Timmy and his newfound friends return to the forest and use the rainbow gem to banish the darkness, restoring the forest's beauty. And so, our magical adventure comes to an end. Timmy, Sammy, Benny, and Dolly show us that with teamwork and determination, we can overcome any challenge. Thank you for joining us today, little brainy boogies. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell and share this video with your friends. Until next time, keep exploring and learning.
See you on the next video. Little brainy boogies.